Welcome back, everybody. Lots of people ask me what are my favorite things to make on the Blackstone Griddle. Stir fry is definitely up there, and quesadillas, definitely. I've been cooking on Blackstone Griddles for about 9 years, and if I go way back, breakfast quesadilla seems to be a constant. I've made them all across the country. Today I want to show you how to make one of my favorite versions of a Blackstone breakfast quesadilla. Let's give it a try. I like to use a potato in my breakfast tacos and my breakfast burritos. You'll see this a lot here around southern Colorado. People putting diced potatoes in their breakfast burritos, in their breakfast quesadillas. Leave the skin on, wash these up. Followed by a jalapeno. So you can decide whether or not you want to keep the seeds in there. I think I might choose to leave a few seeds in there, so we'll go with a half a jalapeno. We're just going to do one portion today. I have the brand new Blackstone. Check this thing out. The brand new Blackstone. Look at the contours. Look at the shape. The 28-inch Pro Series, the 2022 version. We're heated about medium right now. This thing burns super hot. A little bit of olive oil down on the grill top. And potatoes are going to take the longest, so we're going to go straight down with those little minced potatoes. And I'll throw those little jalapenos right there on top. And I can season those with Blackstone Street Taco Seasoning. Just a good mixture of red chili, cumin, onion, all that good stuff. I like to use the Jimmy Dean hot breakfast sausage. Reason being, you can find this anywhere in the country. If you're out east, you might also want to look into getting the Bob Evans hot breakfast sausage. Of course, you can also use chorizo. Chorizo is perfect, but a lot of people don't like chorizo or they've never heard of it. Just go with the Jimmy Dean. Right here, this is as close as you can get to fresh garlic. Of course, a secret that I found years ago: when you're in a hurry or having fun or just don't want to mess with cracking eggs, egg beaters, perfect. So you decide how much egg you want to have in your quesadilla. I'm going to grab a cast iron skillet. You can see we're about medium and medium here. I'm going to turn this burner off altogether because we still have one plate of steel. It's going to conduct a ton of heat. When you're making quesadillas or thin and crispy griddle pizzas, I think it's paramount that you don't burn the bottom of your tortilla. Speaking of tortillas, that's about a 10-inch flour tortilla. Straight down on the griddle top, I suggest a blend of Mexican cheeses. This is Asadero, Quesadilla, Sharp Cheddar, and Monterey Jack, a 4-cheese mixture. Our egg, sausage, potato, garlic, jalapeno, street taco, all that good stuff mixture. A personal thing for me, fresh cilantro. Today it's going to be El Pinto fire roasted green chili little bit of cheese to seal the deal, because of course when you're dealing with quesadillas, cheese is the name of the game. Put your hand on top, kind of gently touching it in with the spatula, and for a flip, something like that. Let's check out that cheese melt right there. Look at that. I like to add a little bit of crema, some Mexican sour cream. I like to just drizzle that across the quesadilla. Love the contrast when that mixes in with the orange and the yellow. A little bit of Cholula. Chili garlic is my favorite, but I'm fresh out of chili garlic, so we got to use the original. Just know that chili garlic is going to be my favorite. And if I want to take a lesson out of CJ's playbook, a little post-dusting. Something like that. Take a look at that.
I said take a look at that. You're not hearing me tonight. I said take a look at that.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Ho, 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 ho. Here, let's check it out here, folks. By the way, I failed out of geology back in the 80s, but I know a thing or two about strata. Ho, 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 look at that. Whoa! Let's give it a try. Not a lot I can say about this that hasn't already been said. On our first Griddle More tour 3-4 years ago, we had a field manager named Juan. I'll put a picture of Juan right here. And he ate so many of these that the first month of the tour, he told me he gained like 20 or 22 pounds. So these things are killer. They're delicious. My goodness, it's a breakfast quesadilla. And we do them on the Blackstone Griddle. Make sure you're watching our shows. CJ's First Cooking Show, Desiree with Family Style, Cook, Eat, Repeat with Chef Nate Lippy, our friend Bruce Mitchell, the Alligator Man on the Bayou, and our newest weekly show, Destination Delicious, a family that travels full-time in their RV and cooks a lot on the Blackstone Griddles. BlackstoneProducts.com is going to be your portal for everything Blackstone. Until next time, everybody, praise the Lord. Pass the breakfast quesadilla, Colorado style.